Hey Tesla fans, it's Adir from T Sportline, and I'm here to share with you today a first for us here at our Van Nuys Service Center. A car that we've never done before, and it's right here. This is a 2022 Tesla Model Y, finished in the factory multi-coat red paint with Xpel Stealth paint protection film applied on the complete exterior of the car. Now, while you've seen us do pretty much every other color on Xpel Stealth with the factory blue, midnight silver metallic, black and pearl white, this is the first time that we went ahead and applied that film onto the multi-coat red paint. And let me tell you, it looks incredible. It gives a very rich, awesome satin finish. It looks like almost paint with a paint protection film that will give you protection against rock chips, scratches, swirl marks, bird droppings and staining, and more. The great thing about the Xpel paint protection film is that you get both the protection and the look of the satin finish. In addition to that, the Xpel paint protection film comes with a 10-year warranty, which covers yellowing and deglazing and much more. So this will last you at least 10 years and will keep your Tesla protected for a very long time. This car came to us with the factory 19-inch aero wheels, but this customer did not like that look. He wanted to go ahead and upgrade his wheels to a satin black finish, something a little more sporty, but he still wanted to use the factory 19-inch tires that came with his car. So we went ahead and installed the 19-inch TSS wheels in satin black on his factory tires, and they look so good. Great complement to all the satin black trims around the car. Gives it a really nice two-tone appearance that we always talk about with matching wheels and a different color paint. And let me tell you, this car looks incredible. Definitely one of my favorite red builds so far, and I'm very excited for you guys to see it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We have many more great videos coming your way soon.